A lot of people want to know how to make a flash drive bootable. That way you can use Hiren's or other recovery software or put Windows 10 or 11 on it and install from the flash drive. A lot of times that is your only option to repair your computer. One of the first places that you're going to start is to open up your flash drive or insert your flash drive into your computer, and it may show up like something like this. So next thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up the Windows and R, which is your command prompt, and we're going to type in diskpart. You'll have the allow device thing pop up, and then you're going to have this. Okay, so now that we're in uh, diskpart, we need to type in some things here. This is what you need to type in. List disk. Well, that's easy enough. Alright, at the moment I don't have a thumb drive in here, but we've got two different hard drives. Make sure that you're picking out the correct drive for what you're going to be installing on. Instead of 931 gigabyte, a flash drive may be 16 gigabyte or 32 or whichever one you have. So once you got list disk, you want to select disk. So we'll go select disk. Oops, type in the wrong area. Okay, that makes it the active disk. Once you do that, you type in clean, making sure that you have the right disk, of course. Pri, that's create partition primary. Then you want to type active. Then you want to type this. It's format space fs equals ntfs quick. That's going to format the drive. Then 6, you're just going to exit, and we're going to close this out. So then this is going to be completely empty. It's going to have a ntfs partition on it. So we've got that taken care of. So now we want to download Windows 10 or Windows 11, whichever you want it to be. You can create Windows 11 installation media. Make sure you're getting this from Microsoft. What you do is you can go to Google, type in Windows 10 ISO or Windows 11 ISO, and it'll be one of the first that pop up. That this is where you can start downloading for the Windows 11 64, whichever one it is that you're needing. Looks like Windows 10 isn't on here at the moment, but at any rate I typed in Windows 11. Then you click download now, and of course that's going to download. Then you will have a file that is ISO format. You may have to use ISO Buster or many other programs to open up the ISO file if you do not already have one on your computer. Then you can just drag and drop into a folder. You're going to have your boot, EFI, x64, and all this. So we'll just copy all of that and then go to, let's say, that drive right there, and then paste, and that would be your flash drive. So now you've got a Windows 10 ISO ready to install from a flash drive with an active partition. So that means you can take that flash drive out or just leave it in. Restart the computer and it's going to want to install Windows 10 or Windows 11 as long as the boot sequence is to where the uh, flash drive is selected, active. So you may have to press F11 or F12 for your boot options, and then you will boot into that flash drive and that will install Windows 10 or Windows 11. Very simple process, but this is the main little kicker here is you're wanting to get these files on a flash drive, and you have to have these requiring, can't just format a flash drive and get it to work. You actually have to go into diskpart, select diskx, clean, create primary pry, active. All this can be done with certain, like the media creation tool and all the above, but if you go that route, you're probably going to have more problems than what you would if you went this route. This is just super quick, super easy, copy and paste. Um, you're just not going to have any problems with it. So people with the endless boot where the computer will start up and then it just all of a sudden restarts over and over and over. As long as you have your files backed up, you can just reinstall Windows 11 all over and not have a problem. Sometimes it will save, sometimes it won't. Now, if you have files on there that you do want to save, you can go to, let's say I think it's Hirons, and do the same thing with a flash drive, and then you'll have these files right here. And with this, you can make a bootable flash drive with Hirons repair program on it. It's a boot disk basically, and you'll boot to there, and then you will be able to fix Windows or at least get your data transferred onto an external drive or somewhere else. But I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Have a great day.